Thanks so much for your interest in learning about the classroom grant process and how you can support teachers in our community. Champions for Learning is the education foundation of Collier County, serving students and teachers in traditional public, charter, and independent schools. Our key goals revolve around students and teachers with the focus of engaging the community in the work that provides opportunities for every student to be successful. Our work with educators is focused in 3 areas: recognition of best practices, financial support through a variety of grant opportunities, and professional growth and practice sharing by connecting educators to each other, the community, and future teachers. So today we're here to walk you through the classroom grant process. This is a great way for the local community to see what's happening in our schools and support our teachers' great ideas. Any current teacher in a Florida Department of Education K-12 recognized school is eligible to participate. This includes traditional public, charter, and independent school teachers. Through the Classroom Grant or Find It, Fund It portal, teachers are able to submit requests for projects of up to $2,000. These requests may be considered for funding by the general public from July through March. Any requests submitted by September 15th of this year will also be evaluated by our community-based selection committee. This is a competitive process, and grants are funded through the Classroom Grant Fund supplied by Suncoast Credit Union, the Support Education License Plate, as well as various family foundations and community members. So let's talk about how this works. To get started, go to the Champions for Learning homepage and click on the apple in the middle of the screen. This will take you to our Educators and Schools page. From there, you would click on Learn More in the Classroom Grants box. This will take you to the Grants page. On this page, you could watch the grants tutorial, primarily for teachers, browse through other grants, or purchase the Support Education License Plate. In the state of Florida, there are over 100 specialty plates that benefit various organizations. In Collier County, the Support Education License Plate benefits Champions for Learning. $20 of each plate purchase or renewal comes straight to Champions, and we put 100% of that money into the Classroom Grants Fund. Additionally, as we move forward, you'll see the Suncoast Credit Union logo on all the grant pages. That is because Suncoast supports the capacity for Champions to provide this opportunity for our teachers. That means that 100% of all donations toward the grants go directly into the classroom. So from here, click on the box that says Fund a Classroom Grant. This page will show you the list of the grant requests for the current school year. There's a search tool on the side that helps you to narrow down your search based on subject area, school, or the teacher. This makes it really easy to narrow down your search if you're looking for a particular teacher, a certain neighborhood school, or you want to fund things specific to science or social studies or math classes. So for example, if you did a specific search for science, you could choose that from this drop-down menu and click search, and it would produce all of the current grant requests that are labeled under the science subject. Likewise, you could do the same thing for a specific school. Choose any school within our Collier County area, public, charter, or private, from this drop-down menu, and it would populate all the current requests from that particular school. And then you would click on whichever grant you would like to read, and it'll show up something like this. You would see the goal. What does the teacher intend the outcome to be? What will be done with the students? What does the teacher expect the benefits to be? And their budget. If you're interested in funding it, you could click either here or here to fund this project. So when you do so, you'll have a basic screen, just like any sort of a screen that you would find if you're purchasing something online. So you would fill it in as you need the information to purchase online. You can see the amount of the grant would show up here. You could fund it in full, or you could say $25, $50, $75 if you wanted to fund in part. This line right here that says acknowledgement is what would show up on the public-facing site. So when you fund a grant online, this will automatically show up in the teacher's grant profile to show that it has been funded in part or in whole, but only what's written in this acknowledgement line is what will show up in their profile. So you could have it as your own name, as a business name, as a foundation, or anonymously. This is how the acknowledgement would show up on the teacher's grant page. This again would only happen if you fund through the online portal. If you instead chose to send a check to Champions for Learning, we would manually input this information on surprise delivery day unless you asked for it to be public at an earlier time. So that's how you would fund it specifically online as an individual from the community. But as I mentioned, we also have a committee process. This consists of committee members reading all the requests submitted during a specific period of time in order to decide on which grants would be supported through the Classroom Grant Fund. This is the funding that comes to us from Suncoast Credit Union, the Support Education License Plate, as well as some local foundations and businesses. Grants funded through this process are kept under wraps until surprise delivery day in early October. Anything funded by a member of the general public through the website will automatically show up on the teacher's grant page. If the teacher knows that he or she has been funded and needs the funds prior to early October, arrangements can be made to present the check early. Once a teacher has completed their project, they're required to submit an Impact to My Classroom report. When they do so and hit submit, a copy of that report will be sent to you, the funder. You can also go onto the website and go under Fulfilled Grants and Funded Projects, and you can see that anything that's funded once the teacher has completed their outcome report, a little blue book will show up. And if you were to click on that, you would see the outcome report for the teacher. It looks something like this. You've still got the title of the request, the school, the teacher who funded it, and then the teacher would have let us know how many students were impacted, a brief summary of the outcomes of the project, maybe some pictures or video they can upload if desired. Teachers are also encouraged to write thank you notes to their specific funder as well as to Suncoast Credit Union. If you have any questions about the Classroom Grant process, you're welcome to reach out to me, Amy Snyder, for any of those questions. If you have questions specifically about supporting one or more of the Classroom Grants, you're welcome to contact Jason Kurek, our Chief Philanthropy Officer. Thank you so much for joining us to learn more about the Classroom Grant opportunity, connecting our teachers to the community. We look forward to having you involved with Champions for Learning.